Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest $500 into the share market and get 30% more shares for your money. Okay, come with me. Let me show you how by implementing our dollar cost averaging strategy, you could be the next millionaire. Hi guys, welcome to Carl on the Couch, and this is another edition in crypto and stocks. In this video, I'm going to be explaining and breaking down to you how dollar cost averaging works and how by implementing this right now in this down market, you could be the next millionaire within the next 5 to 10 years. Let's hit it. Great, before I get started guys, I want you to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Help me grow this channel guys. I want to get this information out to as many people as possible, so bang that subscription,
a few moments later.
Bang the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let's get this subscribers up to 5,000 people. Firstly, I'm going to break down what dollar cost averaging is and why we need to implement it right now in this very volatile market. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up a link to my crypto dollar cost averaging millionaire, which will show you exactly how by implementing the strategy we're going to be talking about right now in crypto, you can be the next dollar cost averaging crypto millionaire. Firstly, trying to time the market is incredibly difficult. Every investment strategy moves in cycles. You can watch my video on market cycles. I'll put a link in the description below. There are many traders out there that trade the markets who make a loss on a daily basis. In fact, 80% of people that try and trade the markets on a daily basis actually lose money. That means only 20% are actually successful. When you match the statistics against investors at dollar cost average and hold their investments over a longer period of time, that statistic changes to more like 90% of them being incredibly successful, and many of them build up enough income to retire from their jobs early and retire young, rather than you investing all your money all at once in the markets and then watching the market fall by 20% and you not having any more money to invest and take advantage of this situation. So the question on everybody's mind is, how does this work? Okay, so let's say you had $500, okay, and you wanted to invest in ABC company, ABC crypto, whatever that be, all right? $500, and let's say the share price was $25 a share. How many shares would that give you? Don't worry guys, I'm doing the math for you. 20 shares, all right? So with $500 investment at a share price of $25 a share, that would allow you to purchase 20 shares. Now, if you dumped all your money into the market at this share price, you'd end up with 20 shares. By dollar cost averaging, we need to decide two things. First thing is, how many portions do we want to divide our money into? And the second thing is, how often do we want to invest our money? Daily, weekly, or monthly? It can be either, it's entirely up to you. Now, here's a key thing. We want to be able to do this automatically. So we want to be able to, whatever system we're using, we want to be able to set that up and let it run automatically. The key for this is because you don't want to be emotionally involved, okay? It's very difficult to see the market going down and you keep buying and buying, because mentally that's going to play with you and emotionally that's going to make you very, very nervous, okay? So you want to set this up to run automatically. I would highly recommend this. Okay, so let's take our $500 and let's say we want to invest weekly, okay? So we want to divide our $500 up into 10 blocks, which will give us $50, okay, $50 to invest on a weekly basis. So let's say on Friday at 2 o'clock, I'm gonna set up my system so every Friday at 2 o'clock it buys $50 worth of ABC company, and that would allow us to buy for the next 10 weeks. Now let's have a look at this chart and see what it looks like. You can see we have circled the buy points every week and taken the price at which we buy the share. If we total all the shares we're able to buy, you can see we actually were able to buy more shares with the 500 investment due to the volatility of the current market conditions. Now obviously, we have a long-term view on the market going up. The idea is to sit and wait, but as you can see, instead of owning the 20 shares we would have had if we had invested the $500 all at the same time, we now own 26 shares, which is 30% more of the same shares through simply dollar cost averaging into the same company at set times, and all without having emotional breakdown. That's right, all without having an emotional breakdown to purchase shares while seeing the price falling. I trust you can now see the logic and benefit from dollar cost averaging, and when implemented within the down market, buying quality companies to accumulate more shares is a great strategy. Come on, Carl. So, key takeaways. 1. Decide on the investment amount you want to invest. 2. Find good quality companies you want to invest into. 3. Decide on the time frame you want to invest over. 4. Split your funds into equal amounts according to the time frame. 5. Set it up to run automatically so you don't get emotionally involved. And 6. Sit back and wait for the market to play out and collect your profits in the mid to long term. Now guys, remember, this is a mid to long term strategy. Nothing's going to happen overnight. If you want to be making quick money, then that's a different type of strategy, okay? In my video attached to this video, you will see how we use dollar cost averaging within the crypto market to make, and how I'm using it to make $1 million from crypto. So go ahead, click on that link, watch that video. I thank you for being here. If you've got value from this video today, please hit the like button, smash the notification button, subscribe, all of that stuff, and tell all your friends, because we're trying to grow this community to get the information out to as many people as possible. Okay guys, look forward to seeing you in the next video. My name's Carl Hutchins. Until the next time, I'm out.